Hello everyone, welcome to the channel of Artist World and Fashion Illustration. Illustration is not about art, it's about personality, watercolors and motifs and sketching. Mix up and make some unique style like a iconic personality. So viewers, here we are. Try to show you how to style your beautiful artwork, how to make your illustration world make some different like iconic designs. So viewers, here are some unique designs like this. So viewers, apply some colors like marker, sketches, dark and light shades, light tones, make a great personality. And after that, you can apply beautiful color, motifs, art. It's not just about art. It's your thinking of power, how to weigh off your mindset, how to create your beautiful sketching, how to create your beautiful dress designing. So viewers, hope you like the all designs, all sketching work, motifs and stars mix up and make some unique art. So viewers, if you like the video, if you like the art, if you interest art, if you want to subscribe, so subscribe. And don't forget to express your thinking about art, about some artistic work, iconic designs. So viewers, if you like the video, if you like the art, so share your expression, share your thinking with me on Instagram also. If you like the video, thanks for watching. Hope you like all designs, all the way how I make this beautiful, how to make my thinking out. So viewers, thanks for watching. Keep watching, keep supporting, and don't forget to subscribe. Art and craft and very stylish, beautiful designs. Thanks for watching. So viewers, if you want to make your own art, so make some colors, take some motifs, pencil sketching and sketchbook, a savor from the world, and think of what you're thinking about, what can you make. And you can make beautiful designs. If you're interested in art, so you can make beautiful designs. So viewers, hope you like that all ideas. Hope you like the designs. For more designs and for more details, subscribe Art and Craft Colorify. So viewers, if you like the video, express your thinking about this in comment section. Hope you enjoy the designs. Hope you like the video. For question and curious, please कमेंट सेक्शन में जाकर ज़रूर रिप्लाई कीजिएगा. थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग. होप यू लाइक द डिज़ाइन.